Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of September 3rd, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. This Monday, September 6th and Tuesday, September 7th are holidays and there is no school. Enjoy your 4-day weekend. Thursday, September 9th, we will have an elementary parent training on safety, social emotional learning, and strategies to help your child with online programs. This will take place at 4:30 p.m. at the elementary cafeteria. September 10th is Suicide Prevention Day, where we all wear green. Thursday, September 16th is a fall holiday. Wednesday, September 29th is kindergarten through 2nd grade and middle school fall picture day. Thursday, September 30th is 3rd through 5th grade and high school picture day. Uniforms must be worn in fall pictures. Remember, if you have not completed or did not give permission for your student to be photographed, they will not be in the class picture. Family STEM Night is Wednesday, October 6th from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. On this super fun night, the South Florida Science Museum brings lots of hands-on science experiences to our secondary campus for all our K-12 students and their families to enjoy. Admission is free, and we will sell pizza, soda, and chips as a fundraiser. Come out and have some fun. Atlantis Family Skate Night fundraiser will be Thursday, October 14th from 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Atlantis Skateway is located at 3100 Jog Road in Green Acres, and admission will be $7 cash per person. This includes admission and skates. This is a very popular fundraiser and tons of fun. Please join us. The very next day, Friday, October 15th, is a teacher work day. There is no school for students. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, the principal at the elementary campus. I just wanted to remind everybody for our family night on September the 9th. This is a great opportunity for you to learn more on how to help your child at home with learning. Our coaches are preparing great presentations for you, and we will have a hands-on activity where you will get on the Chromebook with your child and learn how to use all of our great programs. Can't wait to see you there.
Hello PBMA families and students. Thank you for participating in our online Family Success Night. Should you need any information from that presentation, please contact Mrs. Cooper. And to continue our teacher introductions, today we're going to introduce you to a teacher in our social studies, our social science area.
Hi, I'm Ms. Mitchell, and I'm the intensive reading teacher here at PBMA Middle School. I also teach high school world geography and 8th grade U.S. history, and this is one of my students. He's a 6th grader in my intensive reading class.
Hi, I'm Trevor Ashcombe. I am in her intensive reading class. She's a nice teacher, teaches very well. She helps a lot of students in their downfalls of what they can't do and what they can.
Hello parents. Middle school sports is back this year. In order to be eligible to play, you must have a 2.0 GPA, be a team player, have a photo release form on file, and completed both the EO2 and EO3 forms. The EO2 is to be completed by a physician, and the EO3 is a consent and release by a parent. You can pick these forms up at the middle high school campus front office or on our website. Click on the Students tab, then click Athletics. Scroll down to the bottom of the page under the Athletic Forms section. Come out and support our Sharks as they compete in their first flag football game on Thursday, September 9th at 4:30 p.m. at Okahili Middle.
Here's a message from Ms. Dvorak.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Dvorak. I'm the elementary school counselor. I just wanted to share some exciting things that we've been doing here at school, promoting our social emotional learning that we've been doing daily. Our teachers have been introducing our positivity project. We have already looked at 4 out of the 24 character strengths. So we're going to go even deeper starting next week in looking at the other people matter mindset and building these character strengths within your children. So you can ask them about it. I'll be emailing you too the character strength that we'll look at each week so you can continue the conversation at home. Again, character can be grown, and we want to partner with you parents to help continue to build that in your children. We promote positive behavior by looking for this character. So if teachers see this, any staff sees this, your children can earn Maritime money, they can earn brag tags. We got to celebrate our Sharks of the Month as well this month, so that was really exciting to promote that positive and encouragement to your children. So we look forward to that continuing in the months to come. I wanted to share with you some things happening next week. I hope you can make it out for the parent training on September 9. Miss Williams, she's our licensed mental health counselor on staff. Along with myself, we'll be doing a parent training on social emotional learning, as well as mental health awareness and wellness in all of us. So please come out to learn about that. The following day, September 10, is a day that we encourage all staff, all students to wear green to draw attention to National Suicide Prevention Day. Mental awareness, again, is just part of a discussion. So Ms. Williams and myself will be going into the classroom to review safety rules, mental health awareness, as well as just make sure everyone knows that they have someone that they can talk to if they ever need to here at school so that they feel safe and supported. So thank you for your support, and we look forward to the year continuing.
Mr. Andrupon is organizing a fundraiser for his hometown of New Orleans. Here are the details.
Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you about a couple things. The first thing is I want to remind you all about the fundraiser t-shirt for our science lab. Remember, this t-shirt advertises the best of the best for 2 consecutive years. It doesn't have a collar, and you can wear this shirt any day, Monday through Friday. I see a lot of students on both campuses with it already. Mine are on order. They should be here soon, so the next time you see me, I might have mine on. Let's all get one, and maybe one day we'll have a Friday where we all wear jeans and this t-shirt. The other thing that I want to talk about is Hurricane Ida that affected Louisiana and that region, actually. Most of you know that I'm from Louisiana. We have a small contingency of employees here from Louisiana as well. I have family in New Orleans, and so does a lot of people. I was walking through campus. You see, I get a little mixed up every time I think about this because I was approached by 6th graders. This is how good our students really are at PBMA. Several 6th graders approached me and asked me if we could have a drive for Louisiana Hurricane Ida assistance. And so we're putting this together. We're going to advertise until, I think, September 15th is the day that they've arranged for the Red Cross to come and pick up all of the supplies to take it over. We'll put it on the website. Canned goods, water, blankets, pillows, toothpaste, toothbrushes, shampoo, anything that you can bring. Remember our furry friends also, dog food, cat food, paper towels, anything you have that you want to bring that. We're in Florida. We've been through this, so you know what we might need when we're in it. So anything that you can donate would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. See you later.
Our secondary art classes are working with clay. The 6th graders sketched a character and then translated the sketch into a 3D model using aluminum foil and then clay. Next week, they will paint them. Ms. Saunders' 1st graders learned about seahorses for Maritime Mondays. Due to COVID, our water fountains are not operating. Please have your child bring a water bottle every day. We still have the PBMA water bottles for sale in both offices for $3 each. We are starting to send home permission slips for all of our great field trips. Please make sure you send the signed slips and payment back to school quickly. Students who do not return the permission slips are not able to attend the trips and must spend the day in another classroom. Our website has many fun and educational programs for your students to explore. Please go to PalmBeachMaritimeAcademy.org, go to the Parents tab, to Forms and Links. Scroll down to elementary or secondary school links. Look at all the fun and educational activities on ABCYA. There are activities for grades kindergarten through 8th grade.
And now, the Sharks of the Month enjoy popcorn with the principal.
Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.